Strengthen your faith. The Pillars of Islam Challenge. What is the first pillar of faith? C. Belief in Allah. Which of these is an angel in Islam? A. Jibril alayhi salam. The Quran is a holy book revealed to which prophet? C. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Belief in the Day of Judgment means believing in a day when A. People will receive rewards or punishment. What does the word Iman mean in Arabic? B. Faith. The angel Jibril is known as the angel of C. Revelation. The Torah was revealed to which prophet? B. Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Prophets in Islam are considered B. Leaders sent by Allah. Which of the following is not a pillar of faith in Islam? C. Belief in idols. Which angel is responsible for delivering messages to prophets? B. Jibril alayhi salam. What is the final holy book in Islam? A. Quran. Belief in Allah involves B. Believing in one God without partners. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is also known as A. The last prophet. The concept of divine decree means B. Everything happens by Allah's will. Who will be judged on the Day of Judgment? B. All human beings. Which holy book was revealed to Prophet Isa alayhi salam? A. The Bible. Who is the creator of everything according to Islamic belief? C. Allah. In Islam, prophets are seen as B. Human beings chosen by Allah. Which of the following is a part of the 6 pillars of faith? A. Beliefs in prophets. The Quran describes the Day of Judgment as a day of B. Accountability and reckoning for all deeds. The Day of Judgment in Islam is also known as A. Yawm al-Qiyamah. What is the main purpose of Allah's divine books according to the Quran? A. To guide humanity and distinguish right from wrong. The belief in the oneness of Allah is called A. Tawheed. Which angel brings rain and sustenance to earth? A. Michael. Angels are created from A. Light. According to Islamic belief, the purpose of life is B. To worship Allah and follow His guidance. The Quran teaches that Allah is A. Alone without partners. Which angel will blow the trumpet on the Day of Judgment? C. Israfil. Prophet Isa alayhi salam is referred to as B. A messenger and prophet. On the Day of Judgment, who will judge humanity? C. Allah. How do Muslims demonstrate their belief in Qadar? B. By accepting life's outcomes with patience and trust in Allah. The Zabur was revealed to which prophet? A. Prophet Dawood alayhi salam. According to Islam, who records our good and bad deeds? B. Kiraman and Katiban. Which holy book mentions Musa alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam, and Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him together? C. Quran. Prophets in Islam are considered A. Sinless but human. Belief in divine decree, qadar, is part of Islamic faith because B. It emphasizes Allah's knowledge and power over all events. Belief in the last day encourages Muslims to B. Do good deeds and avoid sins. The Bible was revealed to which prophet? Prophet Isa alayhi salam. How is belief in prophets different from belief in angels? A. Prophets are human. Angels are made of light. What is the Arabic term for divine decree? C. Qadar. Which prophet is known as Kalalullah, friend of Allah? B. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. What is the opposite of Tawheed in Islamic belief? A. Shirk, associating partners with Allah. Which surah of the Quran emphasizes the oneness of Allah? A. Surah Ikhlas. Which of the following best describes the concept of divine decree in Islam? B. Allah has a plan, and everything happens according to His wisdom and decree. Belief in divine decree encourages Muslims to B. Trust in Allah's wisdom, while striving to do good. According to the Quran, Allah's knowledge of all things include A. Past, present, and future events. In Islam, who is responsible for creating life and death? A. Allah. According to the Quran, angels are described as beings who B. Always obey Allah without question. The Quran describes Allah as A. The all-knowing and most merciful. What does the Arabic term, tawhid, literally mean? C. Oneness. How many major angels are frequently mentioned in Islamic teachings? C. 4. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, received revelations from Allah through C. Angel Jibril.